So there's a really good reason to learn Audacity. First of all, in my opinion, is because it's free and open source audio editing software, making it really accessible, guys, for completely for everyone. You can just download it right now. Probably already have this on your machine because you're watching this video, and I'm going to show you in this video how you can make a demon voice and add this kind of effect to make it sound like you have like a demon voice in Audacity. So I'm just gonna test 1 2 3 1 2 3 just to record your video very fast, and then I'm gonna go to effects, sorry, and here in effects we have pitch and tempo, and then click on change pitch. And yeah, just make sure, sorry, just make sure you select the video. And then once you select the video, we're gonna have to go to effects, pitch and tempo, change pitch, and here I'll just drag this to about this and then click on preview. So I hope you found this helpful. Now all you have to do is just to click on apply. Also encourage you guys to really learn this Audacity. It's very simple and it can be very helpful. It also has a friendly interface, a lot of features for beginners, and will just make your time help you to start recording. If you just want some straightforward tool to create, I think it's very worth learning this. So thanks for watching, and take care.